Have you ever felt pressured by societal timelines and expectations? It's a common experience, isn't it? Society tends to impose strict timelines and expectations, creating an illusion that certain life milestones must be achieved by specific ages. But let's challenge this notion. Life is not a rigid timetable where you punch in and out at designated times. No, life is a dynamic journey, an ever-evolving tapestry woven with threads of change, growth, and reinvention. It's important to recognize that these societal timelines are just that, societal constructs, not personal commandments. The beauty of life lies in its flexibility and the endless opportunities it presents for personal evolution. Whether you're 20, 40, or 60, the chance to grow, to learn, to change is always there. So, if you ever find yourself feeling bound by these artificial timelines, remind yourself of this. There's no expiration date on personal growth, and the door to new opportunities always remains open. Ever been held back by fear and doubt when considering a new beginning? We all have. It's a universal human experience. The thought of embarking on a fresh journey can be daunting, often clouded by thoughts of missed opportunities and the fear of failure. It's a terrifying prospect, stepping out of our comfort zones, leaving behind the familiar, and venturing into the unknown. But here's the thing. Fear and doubt are not roadblocks. They're signposts pointing towards growth. They show us where we need to push ourselves, where we can stretch and grow, and where the real work lies. It's essential to recognize that these feelings of fear and doubt are not unique to us. Everyone experiences them, but it's equally important to realize that they don't have to control us. They don't have to dictate our decisions or our paths. So instead of running away from these feelings, we need to confront them, face them head on. Because on the other side of fear and doubt lies potential, growth, and the excitement of a new beginning. By acknowledging and facing our fears, we pave the way for transformative new beginnings. Do you feel stuck in a career that no longer serves you? This is a question many of us grapple with at some point in our lives. It's not uncommon to find ourselves in a job or career that may have once been fulfilling, but no longer sparks joy or interest. The good news? It's entirely possible to reinvent your career path no matter what stage of life you're in. Maybe you've always had a passion for art, but ended up in a finance job. Or perhaps you've spent decades in the corporate world, only to realize that your true calling is in social work, teaching, or entrepreneurship. The key lies in recognizing the possibility of change and the fulfillment that can come from pursuing your passion. Yes, it might be challenging. Yes, it might require stepping out of your comfort zone, but the rewards can be extraordinary. Remember, it's never too late to pivot and find work that brings you joy and satisfaction. Ever thought it's too late to learn a new skill or dive into a new field of interest? Well, let's debunk that myth right now. The pursuit of knowledge and skill development is a lifelong journey, and it's not tied to a ticking clock or an expiration date. There's a unique sense of accomplishment in acquiring a new skill, whether it's mastering the art of cooking, learning a new language, or gaining expertise in a field that piques your interest. It's about more than just adding another feather to your cap. It's about embracing the thrill of discovery, the challenge of stepping out of your comfort zone, and the satisfaction that comes with seeing your efforts bear fruit. So the next time you feel the pull of curiosity, don't hold back. Dive in, explore, learn, and grow. Embrace the joy of learning because it's never too late to start. Ever thought it's too late to form new relationships or reconnect with old ones? Well, let me tell you, it's never too late to build bridges, mend fences, and cultivate connections. Relationships are the lifeblood of our existence, the threads that weave the tapestry of our lives. They are the catalysts for personal growth and the pillars of emotional well-being. Forming new friendships can open up a world of shared experiences and mutual support. They introduce us to new perspectives and can profoundly enrich our lives. Reconnecting with family, on the other hand, roots us to our past and gives us a sense of belonging. And let's not forget about romantic partnerships, whether they're just budding or have stood the test of time. Nurturing these bonds can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Investing in relationships is investing in ourselves. It's a journey of discovery, understanding, and mutual growth. Remember, it's never too late to cultivate meaningful relationships and connections. Ever thought it's too late to prioritize your health and wellness? Well, it's time to rethink that notion. A healthier life is waiting for you, and it starts with a single step towards change. You may be surprised by how transformative adopting healthier lifestyle choices can be. It's about more than just physical fitness. It's about vibrancy, energy, and a new lease on life. Regular exercise, for instance, is not just about shedding pounds or building muscles. It's about feeling stronger, more energetic, and more confident. It's about setting a goal and seeing yourself achieve it little by little, day by day. And let's not forget about mental well-being. Our minds need care and attention, just like our bodies. Mindfulness, meditation, or simply taking time for self-reflection can work wonders for mental health. It's about finding balance, calm, and mental clarity amidst the chaos. Remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your physical and mental well-being. In conclusion, the power of new beginnings lies in our hands. We've discovered that societal timelines are merely illusions, and it's up to us to carve our own paths. We've understood that overcoming fear and doubt is a universal challenge, but one that can lead to immense personal growth. We've learned that it's never too late to change our career paths, to follow our passions, and to find work that truly fulfills us. We've acknowledged that continuous learning and skill development can bring immense satisfaction and open up avenues we never thought possible. We've recognized the importance of cultivating meaningful relationships and connections, and how they contribute to our emotional well-being. We've also realized that our physical and mental health should always be a priority, and that making healthier choices can transform our lives. Embrace the belief that it's never too late to start, and empower yourself to lead a life filled with purpose, resilience, and the excitement of new beginnings.